Ever looked at a new alphabet and thought, no way? Well, we're going to try something a little wild. I'm going to get you reading your first full Thai sentence in the next 5 minutes. Seriously, let's start the clock.
So when you first see Thai script, it can look, well, a little intimidating, right? It's beautiful for sure, but it kind of looks like an unreadable code. You've got all these circles and swoops, nothing like the letters we're used to.
Okay, take a look at this. Right now, it's probably just a bunch of shapes on the screen, but believe it or not, that is a complete sentence, and I promise you, by the end of this short explainer, you are going to be able to read this out loud. This is our puzzle.
So what's the trick? How are we going to crack this code so fast? Well, there's this one simple, powerful secret about the Thai script, and honestly, it changes everything. This is it. This is the key. Unlike some languages with their silent letters and really confusing rules, Thai is overwhelmingly phonetic. What you see is what you say. Once you know the sound for each symbol, you can read. It's really that straightforward. To see how this works, we just need to peek under the hood at how Thai words are built. And the good news is, every single word follows a simple, predictable blueprint. Let's check it out. Okay, here's the formula. A word has a consonant sound, then a vowel sound, and sometimes a final consonant sound at the end. See those little marks? Those are tones, but we're not going to stress about those today. Just think of it like a super simple recipe. Consonant plus vowel, and boom, you've pretty much got a word. All right, that's enough theory. The best way to learn this stuff is to just do it. We've got the secret, we've got the formula. Now it's time to actually read your very first Thai words. You ready for this? Let's start with ma na. See that first little character, ma? That makes an M sound. The symbol right next to it, ah, makes a long ah sound. Put them together, ma, ah, ma. Simple, right? Now the next word. Na is an N sound, followed by that same ah vowel. So, na, ah, na. Altogether, ma na. And hey, it means come to the rice field. You literally just read that. Okay, let's try something. We'll keep that first word, ma. But what if we swap out the consonant in the second word? This character, la, makes an L sound. So now it's la, la. The whole thing is ma, la, which means come to say goodbye. See how logical that is? You change one piece, you change the word. All right, let's add a new vowel to the mix. We already know na is na. Now look at the second word. The first character, da, is a D sound. And that little symbol on top, that's a long E sound. So we have D, E, D. All together now, na, D. It means a good rice field. And just like that, you've got a new vowel in your toolkit. Ready to level up? Let's try a word that uses the full formula with a final sound. Look at this one. Tang. It starts with ta, a T sound, then our ah vowel, and it ends with ngo, which makes the NG sound. So you get ta, ah, n, tang. The whole phrase is tang na, the way to the rice field. You just saw the entire word structure in action. Awesome. Okay, check this out. You've learned consonants, vowels, even the full word structure. You have all the puzzle pieces now. So it's time. Let's go back to that impossible sentence from the beginning and read the whole thing. This is it. Here it is again. Ma tang ni di. Does it still look like just squiggles? Or are you starting to see the sounds inside? You actually know most of this already. Let's break it down one last time, together. Okay, let's assemble this. First word, ah, ma. You got this. Second word, eng, thung, with that eng at the end. The third word, we've got the N sound with our E vowel on top, so e, ni. And the final word, d. So let's put it all together. What do we get? Ma tang ni di. And what does that mean? Come this way, it's good. And just like that, you did it. You took a sentence that looked like a total mystery a few minutes ago, and you just read it. Seriously, that's amazing. So, let's pause for a second. What just happened here? Sure, you learned a few Thai words, and that's cool, but the real lesson here isn't just about the characters. It's about seeing how something that looks totally complex can actually be broken down into simple, logical little pieces. And that's the honest truth. You can read Thai now. I mean, are you fluent? Of course not. But you've cracked the code. You get the system. Everything else is just adding more sounds and words to the skill you already have. And listen, remember this one really important thing. If you find yourself sounding things out slowly, don't get frustrated. That's not a bad sign. It's a great sign. It means you're actually using the rules and learning the right way. It's the most important part of the process.
So we'll end with this thought. You just learned the basics of a whole new writing system in, 5 minutes? Kind of makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other things that you think are impossible are actually totally within your reach?